How the fuck do you turn this off?
Time!
Oh, I'm clicking the record.
Fucking done.
On camera as well. Do you want to talk? Interview. How do you feel?
It's the best thing I've ever done.
Turn this off.
Yeah, basically, yeah. That was the best thing of 2026.
By
By far, mate.
What does this do? Yeah, I'm so ready.
You ready?
I'm so ready, yeah.
You sure?
I'm about to
Not
touch
injured?
on
Are you healthy?
Oh, the phone! No. Yeah, let's go white, go white. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chuck in. All right. Starting lineup. I forgot. Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah. Next server, yeah.
If I imagine I'm 7 foot, I don't
Yeah. Yeah, outside.
Stays out!
Free ball. And again. Let's go!
Oh,
Float serve, just get behind
and
it.
it's a float instead. Boom! Picked up by Grace beautifully. Set up by Cameron. And a swing from Sophia. And boom!
Wow!
Easiest game of our lives.
Coach, what am I doing
wrong?
Team spirits high. Sophia serving. And she serves. Picked up by Josh, just set by the guy. And blocked by Ben. Set again. Swing again. And Tiger does nothing.
It'd be so funny.
They went straight up.
Yeah, I ain't ready for this.
This service going out.
Shoot. Yeah, I ain't ready. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. I can't run over there. I just passed it here. Oh, am I teleporting?
That's crazy.
Go over there. I can't teleport like that.
Yeah, switch. Go!
Down.
How'd you not fall for that?
Yeah, white.
Shoot.
Oh yeah.
Just shoot it.
Yeah, 10. Oh yeah.
Yes! Could have been.
Oh!
I didn't block that.
Great block. Nice serve. Oh my lord.
Did I scare you too much?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Nice serve, mate.
I scared him, guys.
2 for 2. 2 for 2.
That's going on my Instagram.
Yeah. Yeah, 10.
Yeah. Yes!
Me. Oh. Back on.
Watch this, guys.
Finally back on.
This is gonna be an ace. I told you. Did I not call it?
Oh yeah.
That's not my fault.
Yeah, Tiger. Yeah, what a swing.
Oh yeah, go.
Yeah.
The Powerpuff Girls of volleyball.
This is the first one I restart.
Nah, bro, I'm winning. I'll be fine from
Three.
now on.
Alright.
I need to practice.
Oh,
When's your driving test in real life?
I don't know.
that was a really good position.
Have you not booked one?
What do you want?
Any ball you call, bro.
Go. Over. Cool it.
Short.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Right.
Don't listen to him. Set me. Yeah, tempo.
Wait. Let's go! Let's go!
I tried really, really hard to handle it.
Here!
Easy pick up. Touches! Yes! I saw touches.
Yo, guys, no profanity. No profanity.
Pretty sure I saw touches, guys.
In. Here.
Easy, told you. Oh my god! He's mic'd up as well, by the way.
So, what do you have to say about that?
Better to win, better to win, better to win.
So they can repost it.
Better to win, better to win. Better to win.
Yo, give me a good pass, guys.
Nah,
Come
that was
on.
you, bro.
I'm shanking all the passes on you.
Fuck's sake. On that side. Yeah. Why?
10
I'm not
Tiger.
hitting there. Lib is covering Oppo on this rotation. Okay. Oh, okay. You're right. Just leave it.
Go!
Just give me blue or white.
Oh! Here! Me!
Sorry, I could have sung that harder. I just got scared.
How was that? How was that in?
I got scared. I sure.
Tiger! Oh!
We're gonna have to mute that.
Go! Up! Follow!
I think I'm hungry. Quite hungry, guys.
I'm there.
What's this?
We're gonna bunch block him in the center.
You're not Kyle.
Free! Here!
Julius!
Guys, what the hell was that defense?
What the hell was that hit? Guys, he put a thumbs up.
In!
3!
Me!
Yes. Why did you one-hand that?
Up! Yo! Go! In. Good pass.
Tiger. Delete that footage. Pretend we won, we're gonna cut it.
Well, nah, it's not big. Well, I'm dead. Yeah. One. What the fuck? I mean, frick. Yo, you would. Yeah, one. Just come back. Okay, I'm getting
Play! Yo, you're trolling. Yeah! Wait. Yo!
Wait, that's what?
Yeah, play! Touch. Somewhere, please. Fuck. Sorry. Fudge.
Oh shit.
Fudge.
I only saw one person touch.
Yo, I'm actually buns.
Oh,
Yo, I'm so buns.
You did 4 touches, bro.
I didn't know. I only saw one person touch.
Put it down in the comments. Blue! Oh!
Come on.
Ben, what are you doing front row? Shoe, bro. Just... Yo! Yo, you're trolling.
Ah, flip! Oh, fuck.
Yo! No, what are you doing?
I saw that net, bro. I saw that net. It was like the tip of my finger. There's no way you guys saw that.
Lance! Gabe, are you ready to be absolutely just roofed?
What the? Oh, the middle. Go, me. No one saw that.
You know,
no one can say anything about the
like,
set.
what a set though.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Yeah, Arthur's
Keep
not
forgetting
doing
about
that. Down. Oh, I forgot.
Ooh, sorry.
Yo, I forgot. Yeah. Yo, why did it float? Yo, I'm actually bugged.
Only he can hit. Oh, back shot. Tight. Yes.
Yo, that's actually a really good set. I'm so buns.
That was great.
I'm buns. I don't like this sport. Yeah, 10. Oh!
Holy, what a set.
No, I don't like this sport.
Gosh,
I don't like this
Me.
yellow ball sport. 10.
Over.
Yo, how have I done that?
Up, go.
Oh, what a set!
Yes.
Yo, Ben, get up, bro.
Middle.
Yeah, 10! Unlucky.
Oh. Get
10!
Yeah.
10!
Nice, get it.
You're lefty. Yeah, he's front. I'm back. 10!
Terrible pass. Nice way.
I'm that guy.
Bro, it's not that guy.
Give me that block.
I got a 15th row.
Nice, sir.
Yo, that was actually a good serve.
I was lucky that wasn't even in. One.
Oh my, put me lib. Oh. Yo, wait, I forgot I could hit.
Oh, bro!
What? Yo, I forgot I could hit. That's on me. I actually forgot I could hit.
Oh,
One.
Yo, you're trolling.
Oh.
How's he swung that?
Outside. Go.
Straight up.
Let's go, opposite.
How have you swung that? But when it's front row, you just like everywhere apart from.
I'm like,
Yeah, but then as soon as it's on the net, you just miss.
oh, that's because your sets are bad.
I don't think they are.
Yeah, see, this is why Lance is my favorite.
You just want sets.
He's my favorite.
Yeah. I don't think they're bad.
Lance, if I get second touch, I'm saying you.
Okay, so.
Just no matter where I'm on the court.
Oh yeah, of course. Oh,
Holy moly.
Okay. So we're doing home runs now.
To the window.
We're doing home runs now.
To the wall. Yo, I'm just speaking for the sake of speaking.
Yeah, Loki, I'm just saying things out. Like,
Yeah.
I can't say everything. You good?
Spin.
Holy spin.
Oh,
one.
Lee! Yeah, blue. Yo, you too. Yo, they're trolling. They're trolling.
No, you couldn't hit that.
That's it. Guys, clip my pass.
Is he clipping the pass?
Yeah.
Oh. Tip.
Yeah. Play. Yeah.
One. Shit.
Yo, 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 yo.
Sure. Go.
Yeah, 10.
Go, go, go. What?
What did I just watch?
What? Wait. I think that's all the set right there. That's the set.
Yo, clip that.
That's the set.